and relax. So this is you. What you do with it is up to you.
Hi, I'm Julia, and here I am at my best friend Max's. Tonight is his birthday. Max is a great cook. He has some really cool friends and a terrific place. But music-wise, he's not so well hooked up. So I decided to give him a StriimLIGht light bulb. StriimLIGht is light and sound from the same device, all operated wirelessly. A quick change of light bulb, a remote control to switch the light on or off, a couple of clicks on my smartphone to connect via Bluetooth, start the playlist, and here we go. The atmosphere changes in an instant.
Was with my wife in bed, getting ready to say goodnight. But then began the argument, who's gonna get up to turn off the light. That's when I had an idea before things got out of hand. What if I could speak to the light and it would understand? And now 2 years and 17 prototypes later, meet Vocca, an amazing invention. Just screw it into any bulb socket and you have a whole new dimension. From now on, your lights will listen and do as they are told. Your regular switch will still work, but there's a better option. Behold!
Vocca switch light.
In bed.
Vocca switch light.
With bags.
Vocca switch light.
Broken leg.
Vocca switch light.
My wife said, "But honey, aren't there smart bulbs already out there?" I said, "Yeah, everything connects to your phone now. It may sound cool, but in real life it's not better, it's worse. Get set, go!"
Vocca switch light.
You see, it's all about creating a better experience in everyday life. And if you want to say something else, something you'll recognize, that's why we created the Vocca Pro. It's a Vocca you can customize.
Vocca Pro will switch the lights.
Say hit the lights.
Vocca Pro will switch the lights.
Say Megatron.
Vocca Pro will switch the lights.
Say your name.
Vocca Pro will switch the lights.
With Vocca Pro, you can get creative with 5 different triggers per device. Create an I have an idea corner in your office. Use the daily word in class. Create an interactive swear jar. Stage an intervention for someone that says like too much. It's like, you know, like, hell, if you back us, you can even get the sound recognition PCB and do your own thing.
Vocca switch light.
Watch a movie.
Vocca switch light.
Get romantic. Vocca switch light. Leave the house.
Vocca switch light.
We're now ready for mass production, and we need your help to make this a reality. So if you want a better experience for your everyday life, back Vocca.
Back Vocca. Back Vocca. Back Vocca. Back Vocca. Back Vocca.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm Billy, and this is the Ion. When we started Ion, we began with a simple question. What if light could speak? What if it could hear? What if it could tell you a story? We set out to change how people think about light, and what we've come up with is truly spectacular. We took a microphone, added audio processing, a capacitive touch sensor, 40 tricolor LEDs, and we tied it all together with a wireless Bluetooth low energy chip. So Ion reacts to its environment, and it stays connected to your phone all the time. With a light touch to the cap, Ion will change moods, and we've already loaded Ion with many to choose from. Because Ion stays connected to your phone at all times, it can respond to just about any notification or alert. It'll even show you weather or wake you up in the morning. We've even built mobile apps to let you create custom patterns. So you can set parameters such as speed, brightness, and color to craft the perfect mood. On ION's controller, we've added a graphic equalizer chip along with the microphone. And this allowed us to build a mood that we're very excited about. We call it Rave. Rave listens to the different frequencies that are being picked up and calculates a new color to show, along with an intensity that is based on the volume of a kick drum. So what you get is a dynamically calculated light show right in your living room.
Last summer, we created our first revision of ION, using Ember, our Bluetooth development board. With each revision, we've been trying to push the boundaries, with capacitive sensing and audio processing, and now that we're on our 4th revision, we're ready to show the world.
One of ION's key features is wireless connectivity. Utilizing Bluetooth Low Energy, ION can communicate with a wide variety of devices, including mobile phones, tablets, and Raspberry Pis. And because we believe in being maker-friendly, we've opened up ION's API, so now developers, hackers, and tinkerers can develop new experiences that have never before been imagined. To showcase ION's connectivity, we've built a demonstration site called Try ION. Just visit tryion.lava.io to control an ION live from your web browser.
We've come a long way in the development of ION, from our first Ember-based prototype all the way to the production-ready unit that we're showing you today. But we need your help. By backing ION, you'll be supporting us while we finalize our embedded firmware, finish up the mobile apps, and scale our manufacturing process. To show our support for all of you, we'll be producing a bi-weekly video update to outline our process while we take this product to market. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your support.
There are moments in life where you need everything to be just right. Meet Emberlight, a revolutionary product that makes automated lighting accessible for everyone. Screw it in, add any dimmable bulb, and your relationship with light changes forever. Imagine waking to a personal sunrise. Lights magically turn on as you walk, molding to your mood and your life. Be smart with your energy. Free yourself from your light switch so you have more time to live, dream, enjoy. Your home is your sanctuary, designed to fit you. That's why Emberlight works with what you already own. It's your space. We just connect you to it like never before. Through our cloud and mobile app, you can control your lights from anywhere. Oh, and don't worry, we'll let you know if you left the lights on.
Hi, I'm Atif Nouri, co-founder and CEO of Emberlight. I spent the last 8 years at Applied Materials developing many of the innovations that make the smartphone possible. I wanted to use that mobile connectivity to improve our everyday lives at home. So I created Emberlight, which turns any light into a smart light. We've assembled a strong team of experts in hardware, software, and design, and each of us has 10 to 20 years of experience.
Hi, I'm Steve Arnold, co-founder and chief design officer of Emberlight.
With Emberlight, we enhance your experiences with preset moods, proximity detection, and lights that bend around your life.
We want the ability to give time back to you. You'll walk into your house, the lights will go on, and it'll just do what you want it to do.
Mobile phones let us get a handle on our communication. It's time we use that same technology to get a handle on our home.
We've been prototyping for almost a year now, and we're getting ready for manufacturing. We're asking for your support so we can all share in Emberlight. In return for your pledge, you'll be the first to get Emberlight at home.
So join us.
Be a part of Emberlight
Make your lights work for you
so you can focus on what really matters.